I'm Matt here from the product team at Drawboard, and today I want to show you two of Drawboard PDF's Pro features that relate to scale on a PDF, calibration, and measurement. Okay, so I'm looking at a floor plan PDF at the moment, and I'd like to be able to take some measurements for a rough takeoff. So in order to do that, I'll go over to the Advanced Tools drawer on the right-hand side, click on the Measure tab, and then on the Calibrate tool. Now on this particular drawing, as I zoom in, we can see that there's a scale at the bottom of the page, which I will then use to calibrate this particular drawing. So if I take the Calibrate tool and extend to the end of the scale, they'll give you two dialog boxes. So on the left is the actual physical distance on the page. The right is the distance I'm going to change, which is the distance on the scale. So I'll change that to 4 feet in this case. And if I had more than one page, I could apply it to all pages, so the scale would then persist across all the pages in the document. So I'll save that. Now that the scale is saved, I can use some of the measure tools to get some measurements on this drawing. I can measure length, rectangular area, or polygon area. In this case, I'm going to use length because I want to see the distance of this window opening. So if I get a quick measurement, I can see it's almost 3 feet, and then I can continue going around the outer perimeter of this building and making sure that all of those openings are exactly the same distance. And that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out or come check out the website.